working on just replacing the front discs and brake pads from this 2012 Infiniti G37x. It's all-wheel drive. It's my friend's. I recently did it's a bit dirty, you know, it's winter time over here. It's like 30 degrees right now. I already did this side, but now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the other side so you guys can see. I installed this in this car recently before. These are Stellan Gen 3 intake. You kind of see them right here behind the door. But yeah, anyways, I installed this and it came out really good. You got a little extra horsepower and it made a little bit more noise. But anyways, today we're gonna be replacing this. Show you guys right now. First, you know, always gotta jack up the car. Always safety. Always. I already got the tires loosened a little bit. These are 21. Now, you gotta be real careful with these. They strip so easy. On the other side, one was already stripped, and the other one got a little more stripped, but these are so easy to get them stripped. Alright, so here we go. So in order to get the disc off, if you're just switching just the brake pads, you only need to take two. You only need to take these out right here. I don't know if you can see them. This one right here. This one all the way back here. So it has two, one at the bottom and one at the top. For the caliper, and the caliper will move to the side and you can just replace the two. But since we're replacing the disc too, we're gonna have to take this the brake pad holder out in order to get the disc out. So I'll be showing you guys. And we're gonna start with this right here. Easy to take out. Now it's this one right here. Now you're gonna have to be careful with this. You still kind of fit. Kind of go slow. It really sucks to take out both of them. Alright. Just gonna take it out by hand. No, the other side was way more difficult than this side. This one. I'm doing the top, but it's really cool. That's two. Alright, so now something skinny, you know, that you can kind of put like. So you can put it right here. Something just to pry out the caliper. I don't know if you guys can see it. How I'm prying it out. Bottom. Nice and out. Put these down. Back to this. So, you know, once we got the caliper out of the way, now, you know, this bracket is exposed right here. Alright. So now this, I believe, so that is a 22 millimeter. 22 millimeter for the bracket in the back. I'm gonna show you exactly where it's located at. So is these two right here. This one right here, 22 millimeter bolt right here, and one at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. So you gotta get those two loose now. You might need a breaker bar. So Once again, we're gonna put the 22mm right there. Right there. Yeah, bro. Turn the steering wheel all the way to this side. You need to step on the brake to turn on the car? Yeah. Just slide the tap. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Keep going. Keep going. That's perfect right there. So you don't go back? Finally snap. No. It's easier on the other side. You just step. This side you gotta. Up, yeah. Let go. Nah. Alright, so I got the top one loose. That was the bottom. Bro, everything in this one was way easy. Way easy. Let's see. Alright, now I got both of them loose. I keep forgetting I have my gun here. So I got my little gun right here. It's weak, but...
¿Qué tiene hambre, bro? Te invito a algo.
There we go.
No,
I didn't realize it stopped recording. I don't know why. But so far we took the bracket off. The back bracket that was being held by 2 screws. And we put in a new let me show you guys the 2 screws. So this one is right here, and the other one is right here. From the back, you gotta take those 2 screws from the back. There's the 22 held by 2 pins. 22mm bolt. There's one right here and one on top. You gotta take it off from the back. Once the bracket comes off, that bracket right there, then you can take the disc brakes, the discs off, and then slide in the new one. There was nothing holding them down. I don't know if it's like a Nissan thing, but all the cars that I've had were Honda, and I never, the Hondas come with a little screw in it on this right here. Right here. You guys can see it. Little screw right there to screw it down so the e-brake moves something like that. But I don't know why this one didn't come with it. They don't have nothing to be held by, so yeah. So now what we gotta do is put in the new brake pads first. Right. You want to make sure you put it on the right one, same place. See, these 2 are equal. Now we're gonna slide this in here. Those in these cold, I'll make sure I clean everything. No fat or something, but guys, it's really cold out here. Super cold. Try to at least put one, because I have one inside. stop over here one time. All right, so now we got this in. We got the two 22mm bolts in the back. Now all we need to do is we need the compression. We need this little compression tool. We need this little compression tool to push the caliper back, so you'll be able to go in with the new pads that it got. Oh, it's you? Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna go. We're gonna use.
I'm supposed to send your car for sale. That's 2 buyers. What if they wanted 6?
For that, I'll sell it. I'm gonna do a video on that one soon.
Video coming soon?
Yeah.
Hi guys. I'm just a post
Okay. Hold it right there. So you gotta use this shit right here so you can push the caliper back. You wanna go soft. Slowly too. You don't want the car blowing up.
My car is manual, guys.
Like this one, so. Back over here. Oh, shit's cold, man.
Got colder, bro. Wait, so it came with the same box, the tools?
What tools?
The brake, the rotors, the pads, my fault.
What do you mean came with him?
That box right there?
Yeah, almost the same. Let me just put this. Perfect. But we gotta tighten the back. Now we're gonna tighten the 222mm ones in the back.
Hey, you not hungry?
Hell yeah, bro. I gotta buy a strong one. Real good. Loosen this shit on time. I'm gonna also tighten it with the breaker bar. They need to be real tight, real secure. Guys, we gotta tighten these as much as we can with our hand. This is a life or death type shit. Not crazy tight, but you know what I mean, like kind of body tight, kind of like your whole weight. Now goes the two little, go like 14mm ones that hold the caliper. And we'll be done. Once that goes in. One is in. Too cold to be extra on here. Turn my hand because I know my gun doesn't really work that much. These don't gotta be really tight. These gotta be tight enough, you know, to like. Alright. Because when I took them out, they were really loose, so it shouldn't be that tight now. Now, gotta clean all this up. You have it. Got brand new rotors and disc brakes. It's really weird how they have nothing to hold on to, but I guess it's staying like that. Everything's tight with 4 of them. Everything is good. Everything's looking good here. Pull any tire rods, out of tire rods. Brakes are good. Everything's good. Alright guys, so there you have it. Let me put this tires back. So we're doing it by hand first. I use my gun because it really doesn't have that much power. So I know I'm not gonna strip them. You always want to do it like tying these in like a start. And you start, you know, top, bottom, this one, this one, this one. So like when you're tying them, right now I'm just doing it by hand. So you know, just trying to get that tire to stick there. But you want to tie this one first, this one, this one, this one, like that, like in a start motion type. So that way they all tying up equal. Now. Tying these hard way. So 21 right here. Once again, you don't want to tighten these too just hard enough. Just a lot, you know, still, because these are aluminum. They can strip. Job is done here. Now we're gonna go test it out. I'm gonna close this right here. Alright guys, so we finished with the car. Here now, tying up, just trying to clean up. Close this bad boy. 2012 Infiniti G37x. Just did the disc and rotors and brake pads. Sorry. That's the owner right there. All done, bro.